See, someone dropped that off for you.
Is this for me?
Yeah, it's for you.
From who? Someone just dropped it off.
Open it up, Maddie.
We can't know who it came from.
No, they
I
said
can't
give it
know.
to Maddie.
Said open it last.
They said open it last? No, really, who's it from?
Open it
Put it
up.
under the tree. Give this to Maddie.
Can I take the tape off?
Oh, I think you can
Just open the box.
Just open it.
right there on the side, maybe.
Where?
Right there.
Give me the scissors. Who's it from?
Can't tell you.
I want to know.
You'll know soon enough.
Is it live?
No.
That's gonna jump out at you.
What is it, Maddie?
It's like...
What is it?
Why would she do something like that?
What is it?
It's a creepy child picture.
Let's see.
Something seriously wrong with her.
Who's it from, Matt?